Hello, subscribers and helium miners, friends and fellow YouTubers. Today, um, welcome back to my channel again. We're gonna discuss about my Finestra miner update on how is it doing after 14 days of syncing to the blockchain. As you can see, currently it completed syncing to the blockchain. The last update was 17 hours ago, and after 14 days, yes, it finally completed syncing. And so far, doing an excellent job. It's making, let's see, total of 2.14 heliums. So that's 54.79 US dollars. And it's doing pretty good, making an average of 0.1.2 heliums a day. So it's doing really well for my location. And I was wondering how long it's going to take to get it synced up, but it sure completed finally after 14 days. But yeah, all the activities are doing really well. I'm super glad it's working fine. Had some hiccup along the way, had some days that had very small rewards, but sure finally completed syncing. So far, no issues lately. Doing well. I just ordered a new cable, the LMR cable 400, and should be coming Monday. So we'll hook that up and see if I get even better helium progress than now. So we'll do another update on that and let everybody know. So that's real good number of heliums I'm getting. If you have any questions, anything I can assist you with, shoot me a comment and see if I can help you. But also, it's is doing fine. Nothing really out of ordinary for my helium. Please like and subscribe, and I'll go do updates once I install the new cable. It should be coming next week, and we'll see what progress we'll see. Any changes when the new, better, low loss cable coming. Yep. So you can see some of the heliums they're doing real well. The rewards received. Some are low, and some are excellent. So far, so good. I'm waiting for Bobcat 300, and that one probably gonna take a while because they're in back order right now. Yeah, it's gonna be a long time before I get that. But thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep you more update on this helium progress. And everybody have a great Super Bowl weekend, and stay safe.